Hey guys, what's up? It's Josh from the Quick Speed Shop. It's a snowy day out here and I've waited way too long. It's time once again, my annual Will It Start video for my 1980 Jeep Cherokee Chief plow truck. Here it is. Now, it hasn't really snowed that much. Is my hat all weird? It is. It hasn't really snowed that much here and it's been super cold, but it hasn't really snowed. And I just got a dusting, but you know, it's the end of December and winter's coming. If it's not already here, so I got to get this thing fired up. So I haven't done anything with it since I parked it here last, I don't know, March, April. And it's just been sinking in the ground. Last year I got it stuck. I ripped the whole frame out from under the back of it. The rear frame rails are literally missing from the rear axle all the way back. I'll show you quick if I can get under here. And it's sinking into the ground. You see this side, actually it's right there, it's still hanging onto the spring, but this side is completely gone all the way from the shock mount back. No frame rails, and it's really, the shackle's right up through the floor, and the floor is not attached. The rear shackle is right up through the floor, and the floor is not attached to anything, because the body is completely shot. So the best thing to do is ignore all that and get this thing fired up. So let me brush her on off, and then we'll slap a battery in it, put some gas in it, and I'm sure it'll fire right off. We'll see. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It'll go. It's gonna be fine. Oh. This might be the last year for this thing to plow because I'm building my 1980 Dodge W200, which has a factory Meyer snowplow package on it. And that truck will have heat and windshield wipers and a plow that actually works somewhat sufficiently, and it will probably be a way better plow truck than this thing. And this thing is getting very, 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 very tired. Engine's tired. Body is obviously tired. But we will see what happens. Watch the camera. Oh. Aha. Here it is. I had a battery in it. I had to steal the battery. First thing I'm going to do is check on the oil because that could be important. Ooh, it's dark. Smells like oil. I changed it like 5 years ago, but it's only got, 10 hours worth of runtime on it probably. But it is dark. But that's fine. It's full-ish. The only thing that could be low is the transmission leaks, and I bet it's down. Uh-oh. I see. Oh, actually, you know what? I don't see any antifreeze. Dang it. And I also see nuts in the air cleaner. Let's go ahead and pop this off right quick, because it could have a mouse or something trying to make a home in here. Let's see what we got. Nope. We're good. We are good. Last year I put a new carburetor on this because I was having all kinds of issues. That should be good. Power steering, what do we got here? Huh, also nothing. Great, have to fill that up later. Well, I'm going to say the best thing to do first is put the battery in it. Let's do that. There we go. It's the ground, this is the positive. All right, yep. There we go. I'll get some antifreeze in a minute. Let's hook that up. Let's come around here and put some gas in it. Yep, you gotta put the gas on the inside. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, uh-oh. The body's settled quite a bit. Oh, got it. Man. There we go. Whew. Smells like mice in here. I see mice poop. Great. It's fine. All right. Here's our Harley-Davidson golf cart gas tank. Here's my stick. What we got? Got almost empty. Just a splash. So we'll go ahead and we'll fill up on her. Put some more up in there. This is the hard part. Try to fill your Jeep up with gas without spilling it all over the place and setting the Jeep on fire. Don't worry about that. It's fine. It's fine. Nope, I can almost reach it. Not quite. Dang it. Almost reach it. There we go. Just put a little splash in here, gas and go. Man, I can see daylight all the way around the inside of this thing. This body is only attached like at the wheel tubs. The entire floor is loose all the way around. No rockers, no floors, nothing. The whole thing is loose. Loosey-goosey. It's kind of frozen right now, but when it warms up and it starts flopping, it is all over the place. So I'll put a gallon or two in here. This will get us going. Not bad. Okay, let's... Oh, that worked good. Oh, there's all kinds of mouse chewings on the seat. Is he living under the seat? I don't see him under the seat. Man, this side is... There's a key. We need that. Aha! All right. I forgot this thing needs a tilt column because it's down low. So I got my, where is it here? Reppin' Bleepin' Jeep. Got my Bleepin' Jeep keychain. All right. Let's go ahead and chunk this guy right in the ignition. Does the gas pedal work? Yep. All right. It's in park. That should have closed the choke. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. We're getting a lot of cranking. Oh, she fired once. We're getting close. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oop, that's good for it. Oh, it might be flooded now. There we go. Bam! Just like that. It always runs on like 4 or 5 or 6. Oh, it's smoothing right up. Usually it runs like garbage. It's missing. I think it leaks oil into this past the valves and it fouls the plugs and stuff. But she'll clean up and run on 6 here pretty soon. Yeah, definitely out of power steering fluid. There we go, freaking fast idle. Awesome. You can't beat old AMC power. It always fires right up eventually. see if the plow goes up and down. Watch out the windshield. We'll make the plow, see if the plow works. It should. Oh yeah, no problem. See if we got any gear action. Just thinking about it. Oh yeah, here we go. No problem. Man, this thing is awesome. Now I got a Ford rear end sitting out here. I can't run that over. I might have to K-turn this 15 times up. She's low on transmission fluid. No, I gotta put some ATF in it. It's here's some right here, by the way. Fram. Yeah, it's running pretty good. That new carburetor worked out good. All right, let me. I'm gonna let this thing warm up. Put some transmission fluid in her because she's that was all we got. All right, I topped up off all the fluids. The temperature's gauge is coming up. We're good with temperature. See if she'll do something. There we go. A little reverse action. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, that doesn't sound good. It's why is it creaking and clanging? Don't hit my truck. We got a brake dragging maybe. Am I gonna hit that rear end? I can't see it at all. Oh yeah. This thing sounds horrible. Whoa. And she's clanging and banging back there. Holy crap. The body's just the body is just it looks like it lost some body. She's working awesome. Smell something, maybe power steering fluid. She's running like a watch, Swiss watch that you dropped in the bottom of the ocean for two years. Man, this thing is awesome. Man, I'll tell you what, this thing's like fine wine. It gets better with age. It's got all kinds of power, but she is definitely not happy with not having any frame back here. It is clanking and, uh-oh, that's not good. Uh-oh. Dang it. Definitely got some body sagging going on here big time. Oh no. Yeah, check this out. Dang it. Not good, bro, not good. Other than that, it's working fantastic. Got no breakage. Or it's got like maybe one wheel rear brakes. Yeah, this sagged. You don't need to worry about the dry rot. It's fine. It's mint. Man, this thing is roached. Roached. But she definitely is a runner. Man, runs awesome. We got all kinds of oil pressure. 45 pounds of oil pressure. It's running nice and cool. It's charging-ish. It's only got 90K on the clock. This thing is good to go. Good to go. Yeah, you got a little bit of this going on. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. I'm in love with my plow Jeep again. I think what we'll have to do if I get done plowing this thing, actually, I might take this and try to mount it on my tractor with a quick connect hitch so I have a plow for my tractor, but we might have to weld on this a little bit, put some rails in the back, and it's already got 32s on it. I think they're 32s. Yeah. We might have to delete the plow kit on the front, weld some kind of frame rails in the back and some tow hooks, and take this thing wheeling. I think it would be super hilarious to go wheeling with a Jeep with absolutely none of the body hooked to the floor. That would be awesome. Or it'd probably break in half, one of the two. But it's probably the old last winter for the Cherokee Chief plow truck for plowing. Unless I don't get my Dodge done, but I plan on getting that done. We're working on that hot and heavy now, and I got 12 months to finish it before it snows again, so I'll be good. But there we go, the old Cherokee Chief. She's fired up, ready for action. I'm gonna back it up on in here in its spot and face it on out, so if we get some big snow, it'll be ready to go. But thanks for watching. That was fun. Not a lot of drama, but this thing's a ripper. So we'll see you again, bam, next time doing crazy stuff like my rusty plow Jeep here at the Quick Speed Shop. I'm a professional, don't try this at home.